This all-in-one KVM rack console slaps. MT-VIKI 8-port LCD switch makes IT look too easy. Feeling like your server room is straight out of 2003? You're juggling tangled VGA cables, praying your patchwork gear doesn't implode before Monday's deadline, and let's be real, every time you reboot a server, it's a gamble. You're crawling behind racks, switching out keyboards like a medieval scribe, and losing precious hours. Yeah, you could keep duct taping your way through the chaos. Or, you could stop letting your tech slow you down and level up your server management game. Because what's the point of being the smartest person in the room if you're stuck using prehistoric tools? Now crank that pain up to 11. Deadlines? They're tap dancing on your skull. Your servers are screaming for attention, your boss is breathing down your neck, and that one legacy machine is always one sneeze away from total collapse. Meanwhile, your KVM solution is more like a sad museum exhibit than a tool. You've got sore wrists, a fried brain, and a mounting sense that you're just one firmware update away from burnout. Sound familiar? Welcome to server-side hell. But what if I told you there's a slick, steel-clad way out? Enter the MT-VIKI MT-1568UL, your new rack-mounted MVP. This beast of a console is a fully integrated, 8-port KVM switch with a 15.6-inch 1080p LCD monitor, touchpad, keyboard, and hotkey or OSD switching. Everything comes pre-installed, yep, no fumbling with loose parts, and slots right into a one-U rack like it was born there. With password protection, daisy chaining for up to 64 machines, and buttery smooth switching, it's not just a tool, it's a miracle in alloy steel and aluminum. One console. One user. 8 systems ruled with a single hand. Cue the IT mic drop. Simplify your stack, sharpen your focus, and boss your backend like never before. No more cable spaghetti. No more guessing which server's connected. Just fast, seamless control from one sleek drawer of power. You get 8 high-quality KVM cables included, flexible mounting for 23.6 to 31.5 inches racks, and rock-solid compatibility with Windows, Linux, Mac, DOS, you name it. Ready to stop crawling around on the data center floor and actually run your server room like a pro? Check out the link below and see what productivity really feels like. Time to ditch the chaos and command your kingdom. There's a reason thousands of sysadmins are switching to MT-VIKI and never looking back. Limited inventories flying off the shelves, seriously, it's rack mount gold, and your next server room upgrade might already be on backorder. So act fast, own your infrastructure, and finally get the peace of mind your genius deserves. Tap that link, join the elite, and rule your rack with swagger. Don't just manage, dominate.